In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Hikvision ColorVu 2 megapixel IP bullet camera. The box of Hikvision bullet camera looks like this, and here are some of the features of this bullet camera. It records 24/7 color. This camera has a inbuilt audio recording. Here you can see the audio recording feature, and here you can see the model number of this camera. The price mentioned on the box is 6,200, but for me it costed approximately 2,800 I think. So without wasting any time, let's open the camera from the box. On opening the box, you will find this pink color cover. Inside you will get two waterproof tapes. Here are the two waterproof tapes, and also you will get this drill template paper. Using this you can drill holes. You will find some screws and some accessories for your IP camera. And here is the IP camera. This is how the IP camera looks. Here you can see the Hikvision branding. Here is the lens, and you can see the lights. And here is the port for RJ45. The bottom of this camera looks like this. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Hikvision 2 megapixel bullet camera with inbuilt audio recording. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.